జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. కిష్కింధాకాండ. Vali saying to Sri Ramachandra Swami like this: "O Rama, I am putting my son Angada in your hands. You please take care of my son Angada. O Rama, as and how you take care of Sugriva, you also please take care of my Angada. O Rama, Angada is still a child. What he supposed to do, what he not supposed to do, you only please guide my son Angada and take care of him very well. O Rama, O my dear king, yate vruttihi bharate lakshmane chaya. As and how you show your love to Bharata and Lakshmana, that is how you please show your love on my brother and also my son. O Rama, my wife Tara, she is not involved any of papam that I have done. She did not do anything wrong. She doesn't know any papam. O Rama, my brother may think that she is involved in all the papam that I have done, and my brother may put Tara down and may insult my wife Tara. O Rama, can you please make sure that it doesn't happen like that? Can you please make sure that my brother Sugriva takes care of my wife Tara very well? O Rama, if you bless anyone with your blessings, anybody can attain anything. With your blessings, anyone can achieve anything. Sekyam divancha arjayitum vasudhancha api shasitum. With your anugraham, anyone can achieve even heaven. With your anugraham, anyone can achieve the rulership of this entire earth. O Rama, do you know one thing? Just because to get killed by your divine hands, I came to this fight. Only to make sure that you kill me. Even while Tara saying, "Do not go, do not go," I did not care her, but I came and fought with Sugriva so that I am going to be killed by you. That is why I came here for this war. Like this, Vali saying to Sri Ramachandra Swami with all of his humbleness. Then Rama pacified, consoled Vali with his beautiful words. Satam asvasayat Ramo Valinam Vyaktadarsanam. Rama is showing so much of compassion on Vali. Rama saying very delicate words to Vali. Rama is explaining about dharma to Vali and pacifying Vali. Rama saying that, "Oh Vali, you do not worry about your son Angada, I will take care of him. You do not worry about your wife Tara, we will definitely take care of Tara. Oh Vali, also do not think that I have an intention to kill you or I have an intention to cause any pain to you. No, but you have to think that this is how all your papam, the entire sin, is getting washed off, and you are becoming vigata kalmashaha, you are becoming very pure. O Vali, also please consider that what I have done to you is just based on dharmam, nothing else. I have followed dharmam as it is. You please consider like that and do not get me wrong. Like this, Sri Ramachandra Swami saying to Vali. Also saying that, oh Vali, now don't cry. Give up all the fear that you have. This is all based on karma and its result. Oh Vali, now about Angada. As and how you took care of Angada, I myself and Sugriva both will take care of Angada, and Angada also is going to be with both of us like that. I will take care of that. I will make sure that he does not miss you. There is no doubt in that. Like that, when such a personification of Dharma, Sri Ramachandra Swami, Mahatma, the great man, the great soldier, when Rama said like that, Vali is slowly getting pacified. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.